Hi everyone, Irfan is here. Today I am just going to perform practical of my course Plant Resistance to Diseases, which is assigned by my teacher Muhammad Usman Raja. The title of practical is Screening for Resistance of Plants by Leaf Detach Method. This practical is performed to check the resistance in plants by using detached leaf under favorable condition. This video is also helpful for the students of plant pathology. First of all, I will talk about the material required for this practical, then I will perform it step by step. Requirements for practical are healthy detached leaves. The age and size of the leaves should be same. Then we need inoculum. The age and amount of inoculum is mattered. For bacterial inoculum, the age of inoculum should be 24 to 48 hours, and for fungal culture it should be 7 days old. But we don't have availability of lab, therefore we use disease leaf and make sap of it and use as an inoculum. Then we need a petri plate. The size of petri plates is directly proportional to size of leaf. Then sterilized filter paper, distilled water, dropper or syringe. Dropper is needed for fungal culture, and for bacterial inoculum we use syringe. For inoculum preparation we just use disease leaf, cut the portion of disease leaf, put it in, we use as a mortar and pestle. Just need another leaf which is diseased. We are just screening of citrus variety for disease resistance, so I am using citrus leaves. Crush it for making sap. Put some distilled water. We have make sap from disease leaf which we use as an inoculum. Just simply we fill in a syringe this inoculum. These are healthy leaves. It is advisable to use more than 5 leaves per treatment for viable result. So we use these leaves. These are healthy leaves and are of same size. We just inoculate them with bacterial culture. After our inoculation is completed, we just put them in petri plates. Petri plates used which have same size. We have to put filter paper at the bottom and also at the lid of battery plate. Label battery plate as a positive control. Just put it and spray distilled water to create a humid chamber. Close the lid of battery plate. It is always advisable to use negative control for better result. So for negative control we just need a syringe, another syringe, and inoculate our healthy leaves just with distilled water. It is distilled water. Just I fill this syringe and inoculate our healthy leaves. These are leaves of same size and age. I just inoculate them with distilled water. Same for these leaves. I just put filter paper at the bottom and lid. Label it as a negative control. Put them in battery plate. For creating moisture chamber, we just spray distilled water at the bottom and lid of the battery plate. Just close the lid. If you have paraffin tape, you can close these battery plates and put in incubator. After 2 to 3 days we can observe symptoms on the positive control because we inoculate with a disease leaf sap, and negative control will show no symptoms after 3 days. Just put them in incubator at 25 to 27 temperature.